In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord Quest video not loading. If Quest videos aren't playing or they're stuck buffering, follow along as we walk through 4 proven fixes. I'll explain what each one does and how to do it on both Windows and macOS where it matters so you can get back to watching without hassle. Start by making sure Discord is up to date. Outdated builds can break embedded media and Quest playback. Open Discord, go to User Settings and look for Check for Updates. If an update is available, let it install. When it's done, fully restart Discord so the new version loads correctly. This quick refresh often resolves playback problems on its own. If the issue persists, turn off hardware acceleration. This setting offloads visual tasks to your GPU, but on some systems it causes video decoding glitches. In Discord, open User Settings, select Advanced and toggle off hardware acceleration. Discord will prompt you to restart. Accept that restart. After relaunching, try the Quest video again. Many viewers report this is the single most effective change. Next, clear Discord's cache. Corrupted temporary files can stop videos from loading even when everything else looks fine. Close Discord completely before you begin. On Windows, press the Windows key plus R to open the run box, type %appdata% and press enter. In the folder that opens, find the Discord folder and delete it. Then reopen Discord. It will rebuild fresh cache files automatically. On macOS, open Finder, click Go in the top menu, choose Go to Folder and paste this path. Add Library, Application Support. Locate the Discord folder and delete it, then restart the app. Don't worry, this clears temporary data and saved settings but does not delete your messages or servers. Finally, disable any VPN or proxy you're using. Quest videos frequently fail to load when routed through VPNs or filtered connections due to regional or security rules. Turn off your VPN or proxy, then restart Discord so it reconnects directly. If you must use a VPN, try a different region or a split tunnel that excludes Discord, but for testing, keep it fully off. Work through these fixes in order. Update Discord, disable hardware acceleration, clear the cache, and turn off VPN or proxy. After each change, restart Discord and test a Quest video. With these steps, most playback issues are resolved quickly and reliably. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Quest videos working again.